Most of you guys know me as a Magic DVD producer. I've had the chance of directing amazingly skilled guys, Mathieu Biche, Nestor Atto, Yannick Chrétien, and of course David Stone. But those guys are technicians, they're really good with what they do, and my magic is a little different. My magic is not technical, it's practical. It's commercial magic, made for real people, people that actually pay to get entertained. It's easy to follow, easy to do, very little skill is needed. Of course you need to know your basic, but apart from that, it's fun, it's rhythm, it's emotional. Basically it's just entertainment. When you guys go to the movie, you don't care about how they made the dinosaur. You just panic like everyone else. When this big thing is chasing the guy in the car, you leave it. So why not apply the same rule to magic? Let's misplace the bluffing part for just 1 second and maybe focus on the emotion. If you guys are looking for the new DVD with the cool move that will impress your magic friend, I'm afraid that will be the wrong film. But if you're looking for magic routines that are tailor-made for the audience, made for real people, well, hopefully that might be the place. Salut! Hello!
Hi!
I'm gonna be your magician for tonight.